Hi, it's Phil here from Business of Blogs, and today we're going to show you how to maximize the use of Yoast plugin for your SEO content, ensuring that your website really is ranking properly in Google. So keep watching. We're going to show you how to find the plugin, how to install it, and a quick walkthrough of the installation process. So keep watching. Like this content if it's been helpful. If you've got any questions, comment below and check us out on Business of Blogs. So first of all, what is Yoast? Yoast is one of the most widely used plugins for SEO throughout your whole WordPress community. Not only that, it also has some really interesting tips and tricks to make sure that you are maximizing the quality of your content. So let's go to Business of Blogs. We're just about to install this on our own blog, so we'll run you through the process. So this is a very new site. We've literally been going a couple of days, so I'm running you through the same processes that I would do on any other blog at all. So we've just gone plugins, add new. We're then going to type in Yoast into the search. Now, I don't know if you've used plugin searches before or installation, but it's very, very simple. What this here is a list of all the plugins that are free to use. Initially, some of them might have premium functions, and it's got their star rating by the community as well. 5+ million active installations is pretty ridiculous. So I'm just going to install that, and that will be working behind the scenes now to add that into my file structure and to get the plugin working. And then one click activate. Yoast is now being activated on my blog site. So here's a list of all my plugins, millions of them, but what we're looking for is Yoast, and then we're going to go to settings here. Okay, so you can upgrade to premium Yoast. I've never done it. I probably should do it, but for me it's all about keeping it as cheap, cost effective as possible. So looking here, we've got one problem. Yoast has its own XML Sitemap function, but I have my own sitemap plugin working, so it can't use both. So I'm going to turn off Yoast's XML Sitemap function. Now this is a personal choice, really. You can have that, or you can have that switched off. I prefer Google XML Sitemap plugin. I've used that for years. It's always been really good for me. So just going through the features here. Okay, so I'll run you through them. So SEO analysis. So this one is going to go through your content, and it's going to give you tips and highlight how you can write better content for really ranking higher. Again, with readability, what's your content reading like? Cornerstone content, if you've got any articles that you are, I suppose these would typify who you are. So we might do one saying, who is Bob? That would be a cornerstone content, because that would be available to everyone at any time. Text link counter, how many links you got? XML sitemap, so we're going to turn it off. Right integration, I've never used this before. Okay, so it looks like what it will do is then go out to the search engines and make sure your content is being spidered by Google. And then obviously we've got admin bar menu, so we have it Yoast at the top. And security, no advanced settings for authors. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We'll leave that one. Okay, so what does Yoast SEO do? Now, let me run you through a post. So I'm going to create a post from new, and on this one, I'm going to copy one from my own personal blog, just to show you exactly how it works. So this is this is my post about 34SP and how they saved my blogging life, and I'm just going to copy that into here. Now obviously I'm not going to post it, we don't want duplicate content, but I'm just going to post some of this content in just to tell you how bad Yoast thinks my content is. So let me remove that. Okay, so I've now installed Yoast, I've now created a post, and I've pulled some content in for Yoast to really go through and have a look at. So if I scroll down to the Yoast dashboard window, I suppose, this will give me exactly what my website looks like and how SEO written, that doesn't make good sense, but how well it's been written for SEO. So my focus keyword on here is probably hacked WordPress, and it's given me an orange face. So if I go through, so click that, it will then tell me exactly what's good and what's not so good about my site. So no outbound links, so I'm not linking anywhere else. No internal links, so I'm not linking to my own content. There's no key phrases in the introduction that match hacked WordPress, and also the key phrase that I've put above hacked WordPress doesn't appear in the site. I haven't done a meta description, and my key phrase hacked WordPress isn't in the title. I've also got no alt attributes on my images, which means that when you upload images, now bear in mind these images haven't been uploaded to this site, they are ported across. You have the option of adding an alt description just there on the top. So I really probably should start doing that myself. So last thing on here, edit snippet. So this is how you look in Google. I got hacked, bad, business of blogs, talk to Bob. Now you can change this, so you can just do the title, or you can do a very specific my WordPress hacked website was saved by 34sp.com. Okay, so if you have a look now, that key phrase is in the title, but it's saying it's not the exact match. So if I now move that round, my hacked WordPress website was saved, so that has now gone green. Bear in mind, trying to get everything green is the pinnacle of blogging. You see so many posts online about, oh my god, they're all green, I can't believe it. It's a really, really good thing to do. You can also add additional key phrases with premium to make sure that you are hitting multiple. And then obviously you've got a cornerstone. If this was to be our, one of those really well pushed out content that really defines who we are. And then there's a few advanced settings there. I wouldn't suggest playing with those. So it's a really good way to verify your content, make sure you're hitting what you need to hit to be ranked properly. Choose a good slug. WordPress, hacked WordPress saved by hosts. Okay, and then my description was my hacked WordPress website was nearly made me give up blogging until it was saved by a new hosting company who secured and cleaned all my stuff. So if we have a look here now, the snippet preview, this is how we will look on Google. It looks fantastic compared to the auto-generated one. And also, you can check out one of our other videos about using rich snippets, which is here. Those two together will give you maximum exposure on Google search, and hopefully you've got a green face there as well. So that's Yoast. It's fundamental to writing good content, making sure you are hitting all of the key mechanisms to rank higher on Google. Give it a go. See if you can get all green. It is the pinnacle of blogging, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting us at businessofblogs.com. If you need any help, either comment below or come to our website. We've got a live chat function, and ask us any questions you've got. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.